Hello everyone, today I have a Mediterranean sandwich idea for you. We're going to mix up some albacore tuna packed in olive oil with some cannellini beans. I'm going to add some olives, some lemon juice, some flat leaf parsley, and we're going to serve it open face on pumpernickel bread that I got from my local Italian bakery. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Come on, let me show you how I'm going to do it. I flaked up this tuna in a bowl. I'm going to add our cannellini beans. It's not quite the whole can, I didn't want to overpower it. And then here we have our other ingredients. I chopped up some olives, I chopped up the parsley, and we have some lemon wedges that we're going to squeeze in. So I'll add the olives, add the parsley, squeeze in the lemon juice, we're going to add some black pepper, we're going to give this a toss. I chose pumpernickel bread because it's dark and it looks pretty as a sandwich, but it's also one of the healthier alternatives. Pumpernickel and rye are great breads to choose on the Mediterranean diet. And voila! Here is our Mediterranean sandwich. I put a little accoutrement around. You can pull these in as you see fit. Enjoy your sandwich. Thank you so much for joining me today. Wasn't that an easy sandwich? And it was so tasty. I hope you try it for yourself. Please join me next time. I will see you then. Bye.